Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and I want to show you this WeatherGuard composite partition we have installed here in our GMC Savana van. As you can see, this is a one-piece plastic composite partition that is installed right here up against the cab. And the primary benefit of a bulkhead partition is to protect the driver from your load back in the cargo area. And so if you've got your tools, equipment, supplies, whatever it is back here, and there's a sudden braking event, all that stuff's gonna come shifting forward, and this is gonna protect the driver, the passenger, everything up front here. And one of the things I like about this partition is just how tight fit it is around this area right here. It's almost completely sealed from the cargo area. And so what that's gonna do is, number one, keep a lot of your heat or your cool in the cab, so you're not having to cool the entire back of the van or heat the entire back of the van where it's uninsulated and basically gonna disappear on you. It's gonna keep it there in the cab. It's gonna heat it and cool it a lot quicker. The other thing that this partition is gonna do is it is going to cut down on some of that road noise. As you know, it's tin can in the back of cargo vans, and so you have this composite partition. You almost get a completely separate workspace than you do from the back of the van. Now, another thing I love about this partition is there is no drilling into the floor, so you're not have to worry about gas tank, anything down below the van and drilling your hole. So this is going to attach actually to those cargo ring locations right behind the driver's seat, and the passenger seat attaches to a little bracket right here, and then your partition attaches down below. So it's going to speed up your installation and just make it a lot safer to install this partition. Now, attaching up top here, we are using some existing holes, and you do have to expand those and put in some riv nuts. Then you do have to drill some holes for your B-pillar supports on the side, but not a huge deal. Another unique thing about this partition is you can see it kind of comes out here behind the driver's seat, which gives you a ton of space. If you're a taller person and you need some of that space behind the seat to recline or whatever it is, you're gonna get that space back here just with the way that this is designed. You can also see kind of some of these inset locations right here. This is gonna be for mounting your accessory panels, so you can put on your hard hat holder, your first aid kit, or your various other accessories from WeatherGuard. You can attach those to the partition. You can see we installed this optional window. If you do not get the window, this is just gonna be a, just like this plastic material right here. So this is an additional kit that you can buy, and then you're gonna cut out this piece and you can just bolt this right in place so you can see behind you. We have the glass in the back of our van, so I wanted to retain that functionality, being able to look back here and see what's going on behind the van. Another thing I love about WeatherGuard is that limited lifetime warranty they have on their products. You know it's a quality product that they stand behind. You're gonna be protected from those defects for as long as you own the van. As you can see here, we do have an aftermarket floor installed here. This is actually a pretty thick floor, and this can accommodate a lot of different floor thicknesses because this does float. There is some tolerance available in this bracket back here that allows us to work with pretty much any floor that you can buy for these vans. Now, if you're looking for this partition or any other equipment for your van or truck to get it ready for work, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Probably have what you need. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.